Well, March break is just a week away, and lots of families are planning for a week of adventure. Now, if you have travel insurance, you might want to take a look at the fine print and make sure that those activities are covered. Well, do you buy travel insurance?
Always.
At Pearson Airport, most travelers we spoke to say they know the importance of being covered when heading abroad.
We have travel insurance.
It's in our group benefits.
But when we asked what exactly they're covered for, some were stumped.
I haven't really read it that closely.
Do you know what you're covered for within your benefits, within your travel insurance?
No,
Really?
really.
We think it's important that individuals know the coverage, know their health, and know how that impacts in the coverage, and know the type of trip that they're taking.
The president of Toronto Travel Health Insurance Association says many don't realize that a number of popular vacation activities aren't typically covered by travel insurance policies.
Scuba diving, if you're not certified, typically isn't going to be covered under the policy.
And neither are a number of other sports deemed high risk. For some companies, that includes bungee jumping, hang gliding, skydiving, even skiing and rock climbing.
Typically, that would be listed in an exclusion section where you would then you take a look and see whether any of the things that you want to do are excluded. Some will offer the ability to purchase that coverage additionally.
And if you're not into the high-octane type of travel, you still may want to protect yourself, even if your trip just means lying on the beach.
I was traveling with my husband in Florida and he threw his back out. And I mean, he's actually slipped discs and had to be hospitalized. And I can't even imagine how much it would have cost if we didn't have coverage.
Ontarians traveling outside of the country won't get much help from the province. While OHIP does provide some limited funding, it's typically reserved for emergency situations meeting strict criteria. So an injury could cost you big time.
Minor injuries can cost a lot as well. Simple ear infection can cost you $700 US for just a quick check and a little prescription. Driving can be incredibly dangerous. Think about it. You've traveled a long way. You might have jet lag. You might have to travel on the drive on the wrong side of the road, and things can happen.
McAleer advises that even if travelers do find themselves in a situation not covered by their insurance plan, they should still reach out to their provider.
Companies are definitely going to continue to provide the assistance that they need to make sure that they're in a position where they're okay. We'll worry about the dollars later, and the real key is making sure they're getting the help at that point.
Janella Massa, City News.